Introducing the BISSELL TurboClean Pet XL Upright Carpet Cleaner, your ultimate solution for keeping your home clean and fresh, even in those hard-to-reach areas. This powerful machine is designed to tackle tough pet stains and odors while saving you time and effort. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and welcome the BISSELL TurboClean Pet XL Upright Carpet Cleaner into your home. Save time, clean more. With the BISSELL TurboClean Pet XL, you can cover more carpets in less time, thanks to its wide 10-inch cleaning path. Say goodbye to constant refills. The A1-gallon clean tank means fewer trips to the sink and more time spent enjoying your clean home. Deep cleaning power. Equipped with a 4-row deep-reach power brush, this carpet cleaner effortlessly removes embedded dirt, tough pet stains, and dander allergens from your carpets. Combined with the included BISSELL Pro Max Clean and Protect formula with Stain Protect technology, it leaves your carpets looking and smelling fresh. Versatile cleaning tools. Take your cleaning to new heights with the included 3 tough stain tool and spraying crevice tool. Clean baseboards, stairs, upholstery, pet beds, and more with ease, ensuring that every corner of your home is refreshed and revitalized. Lightweight and maneuverable. Weighing less than 17 pounds, the BISSELL TurboClean Pet XL is lightweight and easy to maneuver around your home. Say goodbye to heavy, bulky carpet cleaners and hello to effortless cleaning. Support a worthy cause. By choosing the BISSELL TurboClean Pet XL, you're not just investing in a cleaning machine, you're also supporting the BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. With every purchase, you're contributing to a worthy cause and making a difference in the lives of animals in need. Experience the power of BISSELL. In conclusion, the BISSELL TurboClean Pet XL Upright Carpet Cleaner is the ultimate cleaning solution for pet owners. With its powerful cleaning performance, versatile tools, and support for a good cause, it's the perfect choice for keeping your home clean and fresh. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.